From Kiribati shores we set sail to find a new rhythm, a new beat, a new state of mind. With the Attigs in tow, our music in hand, to the Marshall Islands, where dreams expand. At the Lanai Club our stage comes alive, with tunes that lift souls, make spirits thrive. In the heart of the Pacific, where palm trees sway, we found a haven where music holds sway. Yokwe Majuro, you're a melody in the sea. With friends and laughter we feel so free. Live bands every weekend under starlit skies, barbecues on small islands where joy never dies. To my friends and family back home I send gratitude and love. For you I commend, for the memories we share, the bonds we uphold in the rhythm of life. Your story's untold. Yokwe Majuro, you're a melody in the sea. With friends and laughter we feel so free. Live bands every weekend under starlit skies, barbecues on small islands where joy never dies. So here's to health, peace, and prosperity. May our journey together be filled with clarity. In Majuro's embrace we find our call to dance to the rhythm and cherish it all. We found our way. With each chord we strummed, with each note we'd play. In the heart of Majuro our spirits soar, as Yokwe echoes from shore to shore. So let the music carry us through the night, as we sing of love under starry light. Yokwe, dear friends, in every note we send, in this melody of life our journey finds